Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Kikoff Credit. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So we'll be giving you some ideas on how to actually use Kikoff Credit here, the most effective way, and how do you actually start using it. So once you've signed up and secured a Kikoff account, you'll be granted around $750 line of credit. So this credit line is specifically designed for purchasing affordable digital products such as self-help ebooks from the online digital store. So most items in the store are priced starting from approximately $10, and you can conveniently make these purchases using your Kikoff Credit account. Now, the self-help ebooks available at the Kikoff Digital Store cover a variety of useful topics, including wellness and personal finances. Upon purchasing an item, you'll be enrolled in a monthly payment plan that spans a year. It's important to note that the monthly membership fee is $5 is applicable, which is subject to change. Now, the Kikoff will send you reminders regarding payment deadlines to ensure timely payments. Now, timely payments are crucial as Kikoff reports them as a major credit bureaus, now which can be positively impact your credit score. Additionally, Kikoff reports details such as outstanding balances and credit limit sizes, aiding in building your credit history. You can track your progress through the Vantage Core credit scores accessible via Kikoff. Now, unlike traditional credit system, Kikoff doesn't charge interest, driving its revenue from digital product sales. While missing a payment won't incur charges, it may result in temporary suspension of your credit line until the payment is made. Now, it's worth noting that Kikoff Credit is exclusively valid for purchases within its digital store, and alternative methods of accessing funds such as checks are not available. Now, in conclusion, Kikoff Credit offers a convenient avenue for acquiring digital products, albeit with certain limitations. Remember, you can only use Kikoff Credit within the Kikoff store, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.